What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Right Lifestyle back with another video. And me and my little helper right here. Say hi, little man.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. We in here putting lights in. We got another little mod, little quick mod. There's nothing major. We'll just show y'all a little quick install and how it goes and everything. Sit down, okay? Sit down. Yeah, sit down. Hold on, let me get him situated. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you big boy. You in your seatbelt. Yeah. Alright, so first things first, right? You may need one of these, you may not. So basically, you're moving this right here. So you just get the flathead. I'm trying to work backwards. Stick it up in there. Boop. Pops right out. Then you take it out. You got a little clip right here, right? As you see. So there's a little notch right in here. Ow, that's hot. That is hot. Ooh, don't touch the bulb. FYI, don't touch the bulb. Don't touch the bulb. Oh my God, that burnt me. But anyway, you want to press this in. Hold up. Hi, Dada. Boop. One. Take that out. You want to hold on to those just in case these go out. So you see here, it has the grooves the same way. You know what I'm saying? It's the exact same. Watch out for the bulb. The exact same, the same size, everything. It actually says Daytona, so I'm happy for that. Hold on now, stop. You supposed to be my little helper. Now a little make it harder. Yeah, sit down. Boom. Just like that, it's plugged in. And just so y'all can see, right there. Boom. So tonight we'll come out here and we'll see it. So you see it right there, it says Daytona. That's what y'all see on the ground when I open the door now instead of just a white light. And to finish the install, basically just repeat the process. Put it up in there, put it in, pops right in. Easy as pie. And that's it. I had to buy 4 because they only come in a pack of 2, so I'm glad I did. I bought 4 of them. So just stay tuned. Wait till nighttime and I'll come back out. So all I gotta do is look up, look down, put the camera on the ground, pick the camera back up, hold it, and boom, just like that, it's dark. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't even gotta wait, but here it is, the moment y'all waiting on. Ooh, look how clean that is. That's clean. So when you open the door, you know what I'm saying? Like my little brother said, it hit different when it's a Daytona. Close the door, open it. Like, oh, welcome, Your Majesty. But that's it. Don't mind me. That's it for this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Just a little quick install. I appreciate everything. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for tuning in once again. It's your boy Right Lifestyle checking out with another video. Peace.